Good morning children. Today I am going to discuss the assignment related to the topic synthetic fibers and plastics. In this assignment we are having total 6 questions. In that first one is what is polymer? Give example. What is polymer? Give example. So, polymer is a large molecule or macromolecule. Macro means big. Macromolecule which is made up of repeated units. Repeated many subunits. Many subunits. Here generally each subunit is called as monomer. Here what is polymer? Polymer is nothing but it is a large molecule or macromolecule which is formed by the repeated combination of repeated many subunits. Example for polymer is plastic. Example is plastic which is a synthetic fiber. This is the first question, and the second question is monomers in plastic. Monomers in plastic can be arranged in how many ways? How many ways? What are they? Monomers in plastic can be arranged in how many ways? What are they? Now only we discussed what is monomer. Mono meaning single or one. Mers means parts or units. Okay, so mers means molecules also we can say. So here the question is monomers in plastic can be arranged in how many ways? Here actually monomers in plastic can be arranged in two ways. They are, first one is linear chain or straight chain. Linear chain or straight chain. And the second one is cross-linked. So, monomers in a plastic can be arranged linearly or that can also be called as straight chain. Second one is they can be arranged cross-linked polymers. This is the second question. Next, third question. Draw the diagram of cross-linked arrangement of monomers in plastics. So, draw the diagram of cross-linked arrangement of monomers. So, in plastic polymer, monomers are arranged in a regular manner. For example, if we take wall, construction of wall, bricks are arranged in a regular manner to construct the wall. So, there each brick is called as a monomer and the total wall is considered as a polymer. That is the best example. Here, they are asking to draw the cross-linked polymer arrangement of the monomers. Let us take this as a monomer. Already I said monomer is a single unit. Okay, part. Like this, number of monomers are there. Here, these monomers not only arranged in one direction, they can be arranged in different directions like this. Like this, they can be arranged. Here, if we observe each monomer, here if we can see only one other monomer is attached on the board. Another monomers, if we consider the complete polymer, number of units can be attached to this monomer unit. So, in all the directions it can be attached. This is the diagram of cross-linked arrangement of monomers in a polymer. Next question, draw the diagram of straight chain arrangement of monomers in a plastic. Straight chain arrangement of monomers in a plastic. In this diagram, we can observe that all the monomers, this is one monomer, all these monomers are repeated, arranged in a straight line. Straight line. So, this is called as straight chain or linear arrangement of polymer. Linear arrangement. They are arranged linearly. In a line, they are arranged. So, this is called as linear arrangement of monomers in a plastic. Next, bits. First one, this is actually fourth question. Fifth one, dash type of plastic. Dash type of plastic you can arrange in straight chain. Arrange in straight chain. The answer is high density polymer. In the options, first option, high density polymer type of plastic you can arrange in a straight chain. Next one, last one, dash type of plastic you can arrange in a cross-linked chain. Cross-linked chain. The answer is low density polymer, LDP type of plastic you can arrange in a cross-linked chain. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.